Now in previous class I teach you the what is topology and what is mesh topology. Okay. Now today I am going to teach you what is star topology. Okay. Now star topology. First make a star topology. See, star topology are the topology in which a central controller, that is hub, is connected with every computer and it is a dedicated point-to-point link. Okay, so start. So in a star topology, each device has a dedicated point-to-point link only to a central controller that is hub. This one is hub. It's a central controller. Okay. Through central controller, all systems are passes their data. Okay. Now, unlike SOCAL is central controller hub, usually called hub, the device are not directly linked to each other. These devices not directly linked with each other. They connect with the central controller, okay, and that through that central controller they pass their data to the recipient or the receiver. Okay, if device wants to send data, if one device wants to send data, to another it sends the data to the controller, that is central controller hub or hub, then relays to the data to the relay data to the other connected device. see system A, B, C, D. If A sends some data to D, first it sends the data to the central controller, and through this central controller then data relays to the next recipient D. Okay. So what are the advantages of the star topology? Is a star topology is less expensive. It is less expensive than other topology because only central control minimum wires are there and the low cost is required, and the factor also makes easy to install and reconfigure. It makes also easy to install and reconfigurations. Okay. And the other advantages include robustness. If one link fails, only that link is affected, all other links remain active. So it is robustness. Means one link fail, other link remain active. Okay. So these are the advantages of the star topology, and some disadvantages also in star topology. What are they? What are the disadvantages? First, if the central hub relays fail, all other systems is fail. Okay. If the central controller or hub fail, then the whole topology, whole star topology relies fail, because all of the systems are connected with the hub and they are all dependent on the hub. That's why if a hub fail, then all systems relies fail. And second one is performance on the performance is based on the single hub. That means the performance of the it depends on the performance of the controller. If the performance is good, then data transmission is also good. Otherwise, it may be failed. Okay, thank you.